Good morning, students. This is the next video which deals with higher order differentiation or successive differentiation. In this video, which is a very short video, I'll be dealing with some problems dealing with trigonometric functions, and I'll give you some assignments. That's all. So let's move on to the first problem. So this is problem number 1. Find the nth derivative of sine square x. We have already found out how to find the nth derivative of sine x, but we don't know how to find the derivative of sine square x, sine cube x, like that. But we have the trigonometric result. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. The advantage is that the square is converted to cos raised to 1. So it is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So we know cos 2x is 2 sine square x, 1 minus 2 sine square x. Therefore, sine square x will be equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. From this, you can apply the nth derivative of sine square x as nth derivative of this 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Therefore, in the next step, nth derivative of sine square x is nth derivative of 1 minus cos 2x by 2. We can bring this to 1 by 2 rather outside. So nth derivative of 1, it is 0 if n is greater than or equal to 1. If n is 0, it will be 1 itself. Okay, if n is greater than or equal to 1 means you are differentiating at least once. Derivative of 1 is 0. And here we have already taken this 2 outside. Therefore, then minus is there in between. Cos 2x when differentiated is just like cos ax plus b. Therefore, a raised to n, that is 2 raised to n. Cos of that angle, that is 2x plus n pi by 2. Now, it's just simplification. This minus is taken outside. Then we have 2 raised to n by 2, which is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1, cos of 2x plus n pi by 2. Therefore, nth derivative of sine square x is this minus 2 raised to n minus 1 in the cos of 2x plus n pi by 2. Let's have one more problem, which again deals with trigonometric product sine 4x into cos 7x. So this is nth derivative of sine 4x into cos 7x. Before doing this problem, let me remind you very important 4 formulas, namely 2 sine A cos B, which you have to learn. 2 sine A cos B, similarly 2 cos A sine B. Then you have 2 cos A cos B, and we have finally minus 2 sine A sine B. Those 4 formula you have to remember. Here what we have applied is, this is my A, this is my B. So let me call it as cos A sine B. So there is no 2, therefore I can divide by 2. So if it is 2 cos A sine B is nothing but difference of sum of these 2 angles. 7x plus 4x is 11x. So it is sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. A here is 7x and B is 4x. Therefore 7x minus 4x is 3x. Therefore this sine 4x cos 7x can be written as sine 11x minus sine 3x by 2. So this product is now written as a difference. Okay, if this is 7x and this is 4x, then you will be having it as sine 11x plus sine 3x by 2. That is sine A cos B is nothing but sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B by 2. So those 4 formula you have to recall, then you will be able to apply. So the basic underlying idea here is that this product is rewritten in terms of either plus or minus depending upon the product here. Here this product is rewritten as a difference of sine 11x and sine 3x by 2. Therefore, now you can differentiate this n times very easily. Therefore, nth derivative of this will be equal to nth derivative of this difference. So that's what I have said. 1 by 2 is brought outside. Then it is the nth derivative of sine 11x minus sine 3x. So what will happen is, this is A here, this is A here. Therefore, A raised to n is 11 raised to n. The sine of this same angle plus n pi by 2 minus here A is 3. Therefore, 3 raised to n. So in between that minus is kept as it is. 3 raised to n the sine of 3x plus n by 2. So these 2 formulas, these 2 problems you have to carefully observe. Now move on to the assignments, home assignments. Find the nth derivative of sine cube x. Sine cube x can be written as in terms of sine 3x. Sine 3x you might have studied in your plus 2 classes. Sine 3x is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Actually, from that you can find out sine 3x. So you can express sine cube x, even though sine x 3 times it is multiplied, it can be written as a difference of something. From that, we can easily apply the general formula for finding the nth derivative of sine ax plus b. Then you'll be getting here, it is actually cos a cos b. So if we have 2 cos a cos b, it is the sum of cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b. That formula you have to apply. There is a shortage of 2 that you can make up by dividing by 2. Cos raised to 4, you think of it, and if you are not getting it, we'll be doing it in the next video. Okay, thank you for listening. We'll meet in the next video.